Okay guys, welcome back. This is my little update on the S13, and I have Randy with me to be working on for the rest of the prepping on all of them pretty much. Got everything masked up. Making sure we're not cutting corners
all
here.
The spots that I forgot.
Yep. Well,
this is a critical spot that everybody forgets. Even I do. Yeah, there's even like a little bit of surface rust, but I'm taking care of it right now.
Thanks, Randy. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, so no cutting corners, no half-ass. We're gonna do it just right. There we go. Don't make me getting high, bro.
No, I'm getting something.
Well, guess who's here today?
Me.
This guy! Oh, my two best friends are here. Well, this is the outcome right now with 2 cans of high primer filler, whatever you call it, and we have done this second coat already, and things are looking great so far. I try to get as even as possible. Well, you don't really have to worry about that, as we can go ahead and prep it again and sand it. But anything I missed, I'll definitely I'll get on that on the last. Well, we're gonna have to grab some more primer here, 1 can of primer, because we still have to do that, right, Randy?
Yeah, we're gonna do these headlight brackets.
Because we did take out those headlight brackets. Yeah. So those gonna need some.
I'm just scrubbing them down.
Yep. What do you think so far, bro?
Fire.
Fire.
It's about to be crazy.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's so crispy.
It's crispy right now as
Crispy
before.
and good and yummy.
Yeah, you should have seen it before, man. It's like, wow. It's like
You did it.
Yep,
Well,
look at that clean slate.
clean. So it's all about the prepping, guys. Make sure you do your prep properly. And I totally, honestly, like, I made a mistake. Like, I didn't cover this area, as you know that I did the underline right there. So I didn't want to get that all sprayed up with the primer. So that would be ugly. Yeah, don't be afraid of running out of spray cans for the primer, and don't worry about having to build up, like overrunning it. Like this one right here has a little runny, but you could always take those off by scuffing it or sanding it. So yeah, dude, looks really good. So I hope you like it so far, and I'm very happy that I'm here with my long-end friends.
Beautiful work.
You like it?
I'm giving you a compliment.
Oh, thank you, man. Well, we'll give you some more update on this. Hopefully by tomorrow we get everything done and go with the base paint too as well.
Yeah, and so we'll try to get you guys some excellent content here.
Excellent content. Yeah, we're gonna try to, right? Because we were using just a backyard. It's a backyard content of build of this S13. So
yeah, but you got professionals in a backyard.
yeah. All right, guys. Well, we'll continue on and we'll give you some more update.